Many new pictures of Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas went to a beautiful place and they were so much happy and delighted as it was a romantic place. Yağmur and Baris went to a romantic place for the shooting of their series Çiçekleri. Candlelight dinner arrangements were also made there, and both were looking so much beautiful, especially Yağmur in red was looking so much gorgeous and beautiful. So Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas went to romantic pair for the shooting of their series Çiçekleri.